Hey, what's up and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I am Matthew, the designer developer from South Africa. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in a subdomain. But first, I've been silent simply because I'm creating this application. If you are interested in UI or you might want to create an application just like this one, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Then I can teach you everything around this application. So this is just a music streaming sharing application where people can sign up and do a lot of cool stuff. Specifically, I think it's for artists to share their own music. So this is what I'm busy with behind the scene, but this video, it's not about that. It's about how to install WordPress in a subdomain. So the first thing that you will do, you will have to log in into your backend. Okay, let's check. Okay, it looks like it's not going to take me to the login section because I've already logged in. I'm using direct admin, so this is where we are. So obviously when you want to create a subdomain, you will come here, subdomain management. You will create a subdomain. What is a subdomain? For instance, when you go to codeddesign.co.za, you will see this interface. But however, you can also go to community dot codeddesign.co.za. There you will see a, what can I say, a different website. As you can see at the moment, there is nothing in this subdomain. So this is the main domain, codeddesign.co.za, community dot codeddesign. It's some sort of a subdomain. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. It's more like a partition. The one room with one room, yes, with many rooms inside. So a subdomain, which is community, it's one of those rooms. Okay, so this is the main homepage or the main domain. Okay, so this is where you will go if you want to create a subdomain. But as we want to install WordPress, so what we're going to do, we are going to go to Softaculous installer. This is like an app store in Android where you can go and install some applications to your server. So let's click there, and then we are going to look for WordPress. As you can see, here is WordPress. Let's click install. Let's just wait, and then here we just need to make sure that we don't install WordPress in the main domain. As you can see, this is the main domain. What we are looking for, we are looking for community.codeddesign. Okay, and then from then, that will be it. We want it to go straight here without any folder, maybe inside a certain folder. I'm happy with that. And then let's go down. The site name, let me say client, or let me just write community. Let me just write client, because what I want to do here, I want to okay, so I want to, when I get a job and then I want to show a client a sample, I can do it here, let's say under this domain community, and then I will just send a link to the client, and then when the client approves or they don't approve, I will just delete that website. So this website is just going to be client because we are testing anyway. Okay, and then site description, let's say, okay, let's say client request. Let's say this is just a request from a client. The client requested us to create a website for them. They want to see how it's going to look, and then we take it from there. So let's pretend we are doing that. I'm just going to type client request, and what else? Advanced option. Okay, I'm just going to keep things simple here. I'm not going to complicate my life. I want only a part where I have to put the email. So make sure that you don't forget this part, because maybe when you forgot your password and whatever, the password will be sent to your email. So this one is the most important, so that you cannot be locked out of your own WordPress because you forgot the details. Okay, I think that's all. Let's just click install, I hope the space is enough. Mail installation details too. Let's just put my name. I hope I've got enough space to install WordPress. Let's just cross fingers and see if it will install. Okay, is there anything that I must press? Okay, it's busy installing. That means we are winning. Okay, then okay, congratulations, software has installed successfully. Okay, let's just go back to here. Remember, there was nothing here. There was nothing, as you can see. Let's now, since we've installed WordPress, let's just click there and see. As you can see, here is the site detail, client request. I think that is it. We are done. This is WordPress installed on a subdomain. Then here I will design whatever that I want to design for the client, send it to them. In case they don't approve or they don't like the website, that's fine. That's it. So I will use this to sometimes a client might ask you to design something for them and they will say, no, I want to see before I pay, and you are kind enough to do that. But if you do it on their own domain, that means you have lost your work and whatever, and they can take their work and go. But if you can do it on a subdomain, that remains on your locals, on your server. So that means there's nothing they can do. If they don't like the website, it's fine. Then you can maybe change some few things, present it to a different customer if you work like that. And that's it. So now let's go back to, not here, obviously here. Now let's go back to the back end just to confirm if everything works well. Okay, under subdomain, then this is WordPress. This is where you can create everything, install the plugins and whatever. So let's end this video here for now, because we have done what we were hoping to do. So I don't want to make it longer than necessary. If you like this video and like the content like this and you have learned something, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you've got anything that you want to ask, or maybe a different video, please shoot a comment below. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, that's it. See you on the next one. Thank you so much.